How to light your home. Spotlights are a practical addition to any household's lighting setup as they bring a simple yet stylish image whilst also giving a practical shine out across the room. These lights come in a range of different styles, however track lights are perhaps the most versatile form, allowing you to move the lights and to offer a more effective glow to the relevant zones. This style of light is perfect for use inside of any kitchen's designs thanks to the practical and versatile nature of the fittings. Pendant bar lights are perfect for use above a breakfast bar or kitchen island and bring a stylish and sophisticated tone to your kitchen. The lights offer direct and focused light to help you when performing tasks such as chopping during meal preparation. Track lights and spotlights are available in a variety of shapes and sizes, so there is something to suit every home. Using LED inside of your home is a very creative and modern project, offering durable, reliable lights to your home in a very stylish manner. LED lights also offer high quality illumination to your home for a more practical and trustworthy tone. At Litecraft we have LED lights in every form possible, from pendants to floor lamps, chandeliers to wall lights, so whatever your style is, there's sure to be an LED fitting for everyone. The bathroom is an interior where extra care must be taken due to the hazardous conditions. Always be sure to choose lights which have the relevant IP rating for zones that you intend to use them in. Our extensive range of bathroom lights will bring a stunning form of modern elegance to your home, giving you the perfect environment in which to unwind, maybe having a long and luxurious soak in the bath under the sparkling light of a chandelier. The Marquee by Waterford range is perfect for giving a classy feel to your bathrooms or any room inside of your home, complemented by the beautiful crystal designs, giving a wonderful shine out to the interior. These fittings are perfect for giving a luxury twist to your home's designs alongside practical and safe illumination. They can be found online or in any of our Litecraft UK stores. Atmosphere is a key part of any interior design, as it helps to set the tone and mood of the room, making them more effective for their purpose. Table lamps are an ideal way to create a very comfortable and relaxing feel within a household, as they offer a soft and soothing glow to the interiors that is sure to help you to unwind. Lamps can come in a range of sizes, shapes and styles, so it is important to find the right kind of lamp for your own home. Task lamps are great for desks with their purposeful light allowing you to complete the job at hand in a more focused manner. Bedside lamps give the ideal style of light for reading before you go to sleep, with a warm and comforting glow being given. Novelty or specialty lamps can give a unique, eccentric look to your interiors and are fast, simple and effective way to bring an unusual yet practical feature into any room inside of your house. Another stylish theme that you could look to introduce in your home could be one with a more modern twist, using copper tones for an immensely fashionable look. Copper has a bright and upbeat feel. It offers a stripped back, rustic touch to the interiors in which they are used. Copper is a look that is perfectly at home when used within contemporary interiors, thanks to its unique urban image offering a fresh and updated addition to the room's designs. At Litecraft we have a wide range of copper lights available in any style imaginable, including pendant lights, table lamps and much more. Copper is one of the most sought after looks for the modern home, so be sure not to miss out. Following on from the copper look, we have another ultra stylish theme which interlinks perfectly with it, the industrial look. This is a theme which is perfect for any modern home looking for an intriguing yet fashionable feel, with the vintage tone of the fittings giving a great contrast to the existing modern features inside of the interior. Our range of industrial lights provide an excellent choice for any household looking for a sophisticated twist on the industrial theme, with the ingot, Carter, orbital and steamer lights each offering their own unusual and stylish touch to your interiors. For a bolder industrial image, Steamer is the perfect addition, with the large 18-light pipework inspired design hanging from the ceiling in an eye-catching manner. As a more elegant alternative, the Ingot range offers a softer and more atmospheric style of lights to the room. The Ingot lights come in a range of sizes, styles, featuring pendants, wall lights and flush fittings. The lights feature mink crystal for an unusual and sophisticated shine, which is ideal for an upscale industrial interior. The orbital pendant is a rounded 8-light structure which is finished in rust for a fantastic vintage image, which can also offer a wide and useful spread of light to any household. The robust metal frame features intertwining hoops, which form a ring around the central lights, with a traditional candle-style bulb holder for a classic effect. Last but certainly not least, we have outdoor lighting, some of the most overlooked yet immensely important lights that you will feature in any household's designs. Outdoor lighting is multifunctional. It can be used for security purposes or to allow you to utilize your outdoor areas even as the sun fades away. With a range of lights which are both practical and stylish, Litecraft can help you achieve a wonderful image to the exterior of your home. For more effective outdoor lighting, why not consider an accompanying PIR sensor which will trigger the lights to turn on when it detects movement, cutting out the need for you to turn them on and off every time you use them. Thank you for watching our How to Light Your Home video. We hope it has provided you with plenty of information and inspiration. For more videos of this style and Litecraft product content, keep an eye on our YouTube channel. And finally, for products, blogs and competitions, head to our website at litecraft.co.uk. We have French style chandeliers, fisherman style lanterns, traditional Tiffany collection, hanging pendants in various styles, flush mounted crystal lights for low ceilings. It's all about getting modern luxury for less.